an extemporaneous poem when words are shallow. Things, not bullets, the words sling, and outrageous fortune glimmers, and dies its stage one death where blood here and there, and perhaps behind you as well as you and I too bleed from wounds invisible on a map of red and blue and crosshairs. Does the dead baby cry again? Does the gavel descend one more time in justice? Does the flag wave and the band play? And who would have thought that the elegant-shaped bullets could do all this? Could spread so far into homes here and homes there? For here in my quiet space I discover dampness on these keys, and on yours, and perhaps yours, but on some is the dampness tainted red.